Hi guys, welcome to Richard Cabile YouTube channel, and today's video I will teach you how to connect or link the Instagram account to your Facebook account. So okay guys, but before we start, kindly subscribe to my YouTube channel by pressing the subscribe button and the bell to notify you if I have new video. So okay guys, let's start. All you have to do is go to your Facebook account in your mobile phones. Okay guys, here in your Facebook account, so you all have to do is click the profile picture on the upper left side on your screen. Okay guys, here in your profile, so scroll down and click edit public details. Okay guys, here in edit profile, so all you have to do is scroll down and find the link. So you will see the link add button. All you have to do is click the add button. Okay guys, here in edit link, so you can link a social media link. So so all you have to do is click the add social link. Press the Instagram. So you can choose your account or social media account to link to your Facebook account. So I choose Instagram account. Okay guys, after that you will see the account name. So you can put your Instagram account name here. So make sure the account of your Instagram name are same here in the Facebook social link. So go to your Instagram account to find your name in your Instagram. And Instagram, so click the profile picture below on the right side. And you can see your profile name in your Instagram account. You can copy this or you can put the name here in your social media link in your Facebook account. Okay guys, after you type your name here, your Instagram account are linked in your Facebook. To successfully link your Instagram, so click the save button on the upper right side on your screen. Okay guys, successfully save your Instagram account in your Facebook account. So guys, that's it. And if you have a question, kindly comment below, and don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell to notify you if I have new video. So guys, thank you for watching.